Okay, dare I say, this is the answer. I get it. I'm not trying to say anything we already don't know. I'm not saying anything new. I'm just saying, since we know this, do we not know that they are using the divide and conquer? Okay, this is the biggest part of their strategy. Like, if we're serious about revolution, you have to know who the enemy is. Okay, you got to understand their methods. If we want to actually fight against them, we have to unite. There is no other way. Do you understand? This left and right fighting is, if you're on the left and you hate the right, vice versa, forget y'all. I'm sorry, you've been manipulated to you people. Left and right must unite. Do it now. And I'm asking you, especially Christians, like I've said, two things you can do. You can do it right now. Make a video and tell the liberals you love them. And buy one of my t-shirts. Wear it.
The left and the right must unite.